We are live. Perfecto. After a long time, it feels like I'm doing it for I don't know for how long I haven't done this. But yeah. Today the new thing is I'm live on Twitter as well. Let's see. Cool. We are good. So we'll do the task which is in our hand today, and that is hey, hi Hen, how are you? And hi 0 degree. Bro, finally back. Yeah, solo tried Minimax. It's cheaper than Elevenlabs and available on Replicate as well. Yes. So I've been paying for Elevenlabs for a long time now, and it's pretty costly. And I thought Minimax is super cheap, so why not just try that out? By the way, I can hear my voice somewhere. Is it? Okay, it's on the wrong panel. Abhinav, after a long time. Hey, hi Abhinav. Yeah, it's been a while, guys. I've been busy with some of the tasks. And today, by the way, I'm also live on Twitter. I removed Twitch forever now. I have nobody watches me on Twitch. I don't know, nobody will even watch on. So we have 3 viewers already on Twitter. It's fine. It's good, which is good. Varun, hi OG. So Varun, thank you. Varun pinged me today on Discord, and Varun said like, it's been a while, man. Where are you? I thought, yeah, it's been a while. Seriously, I should do it more often. By the way, how are you guys liking my new videos which I have recently posted? The new Flutter versus React Native one that went pretty like polarizing. There are people writing almost a blog post on comment section there, and I was thinking like I'll set aside almost 30 minutes or 1 hour next time to maybe reply to all of them. Okay, so the thing is today in this stream, the main task for me is I want to migrate from Elevenlabs to Minimax, but not entirely. I will keep Elevenlabs as well, but we'll also add Minimax speeches, and we'll A/B test them for next 2 weeks. And we'll prioritize Minimax speakers more. So if I see people are not complaining much and the outputs are coming decent, then we'll shut down Elevenlabs forever. That's the plan. And I have already created a backend service. I can't show the backend service here because, well, I have not done a great job of hiding the keys. So keys are all over the code base. And yeah, so that's why. Oh wow, in Twitter we have 13 people watching. Wow, Twitter is exceeding to than YouTube. Amazing. Hi guys. Okay, let's start. So first thing first, what is the app? Where is the app? So here is how the app looks. Swarit Awari. Hi Swarit. How are you doing? Okay, you have purchased the verification on X and you are posting constantly, but your reach is dead on X. Yeah, man. I don't know. I was like not posting on X for a while, almost I think 3-4 months, and recently I started posting again. And right now I think Twitter just buries you somewhere until you become a bit consistent again. So right now it's like completely dead for me on Twitter. There are a couple of people who have been following me for a while, and they are still like reacting to things, which is good enough. And to be honest, for post handle which I released, most of the traffic which came from it was from Twitter, and that was because I was commenting on some posts, and people were finding out about it. They are coming to the website, so it has become like #1 marketing channel for me so far. This was like very exciting. And the another channel is YouTube, because on YouTube I'm posting these videos about it, and plus I have these theme channels which are bringing in the users. Varun, the way you're explaining things and video editings are getting better day by day. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. Yeah, now I have like, I think I have found out this sweet spot of how to do the scripting, how to do the shooting, and then how to do it, how to do the editing. I'm taking help on editing from someone. Hey, Larry. Welcome back, Larry. Welcome back. We are back today. Oh, guys, it feels like we were never gone anywhere. We were all sitting here coding. Okay. Where is the music? What happened to it? Wait. Keep running. For copyright purposes, we will be playing these epidemic sound music. Where is the... So here is the thing. This is the page which I want to change. Currently, these are the voices which we show, and all of these voices are from Elevenlabs. How post handle is going? Post handle is going good. I would not say great. It's going good in the sense like we have a couple of trial users who are on the trial phase for... I have given them like 1 month of free trial, and they are still trying. They're giving me feedback. I have got maybe like 10-15 feature requests and a complete onboarding flow I have to change. A lot of data I have gathered on the onboarding side, and so yeah, it's going good. But the way I hoped for when I was like launching it, it's not going as per that. Well, it never does. So yeah, so it's going good. A lot of work to be done on post handle still. Calling Larry, same here, just been busy in my morning time when you stream. Nice. Larry, how are things on your end? Abhinav, plus no hate, but a brutal honest opinion. You are a great coder, but your marketing sucks. Sorry if it is too much. I mean, I would take it. Like I 100% know my marketing sucks. Like I know I'm still learning. You know, I was reading one book recently, 0 to 1, and I'm still like figuring out things how to market. The only way I have found out is YouTube channels and talking on Twitter. That's it. That's my marketing. But yeah, Abhinav, I see you are growing crazy, man. On X, Abhinav has reached more than 4,000 followers now. I think yesterday only you tweeted about it, or today. Okay, so we have to find out first. So it's been a long time. I haven't touched this code base of this part. I have to see from where we are calling this data. Israr, look who is alive. Hey, hi Israr, how are you doing, man? अभी ना सांस लेता हूँ तो 100 फॉलोअर बढ़ रहे हैं. Yeah, you don't have to rub it on our face अभी now. But yeah, congrats, man. Like it is really motivating to see someone growing in front of you. Like I saw you starting from I think 1,000 followers to almost 4,100 now in a span of 2-3 months. Israr, I'm loving the Mac. Oh, nice. Yeah, congrats, Israr, on your new MacBook Air. Okay, so first of all, I need to check. So guys, I'll be working on the second screen because I can't show that code. It has a little bit of sensitive things. So let me just check from where these audios are coming. And if I know that, I will just add one single audio from Minimax. Shubham, hey, hi Shubham, how are you? How are you doing? Welcome back. You saw me from 100 followers. Oh shit, you are at 100, right? Correct. So yeah, guys, huge congrats to Abhinav. He started when I started doing these lives. I think he started back then with on Twitter, and now he's at more than 4,000 followers on Twitter. And I think it's all about the hard work he has put behind all this. daily posting his time lapses, that too for like 8-10 hours. That's crazy hard work, and that has paid off very well. Israr, how are you? Is this day live or are you starting it daily? Not daily, but I'll do more often. Today, I think Varun pinged me on Discord, and I thought, yeah, it's been a long time. I completely forgot about it. By the way, this time I was just working on my app. This was this time frame from 8 to 10:30, and yeah, I was a little bit more busy than on YouTube on last 2 weeks. Like I have created content for almost next 2 weeks now. I'm prorating myself. I really miss these live streams, to be honest. Happy to hang out with the people I know. Oh, nice guys. Nice. This is so shocking. On Twitter, we have 18 people live. That's crazy. Hey, Twitter guys, how are you? I don't know if Twitter allows to send messages. I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you guys for hanging out here. Crazy. Abhinav is happy life. Yes. Okay, so first of all, I have to find out where these people are coming from. I think it's on this. No. This is bottom sheet, but this bottom sheet has some data, render voices, and the voices are coming from voices. Okay, it's in the Firestore collection. There is a voices collection. Julian apps, bro, can you please tell which Pomodoro timer you are using? Wow, again, my Pomodoro timer, the most famous app on my whole setup. This is called Sessions Pomodoro. You can just Google it. So going to the voices. Got it. I got the collection of voices which I am using here. I am also sending a Firebase icon. I'm thinking maybe... Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6 voices in total. That means, okay, yeah, we have 2, 4, 6, yes. So what I'm thinking is maybe I should replace just these 3 voices without letting user know that these are, yeah, I think this will be a good one, right? Bro, these and Sam had me doing DSA and CPP. Wow, awesome. That's crazy. CPP. Still people doing CPP. I mean, how's the progress on post handle? How does it look like currently? Oh yeah, I would love to show you guys. So this is how... This is the current form of post handle, if you guys want to see. By the way, I have added this remix with AI kind of button here, which is not working for everyone. I haven't released it for everyone yet. I'm still testing it out. The idea is like you can create your own templates. For example, I have created these templates, right? Let's say this is your template which you want to this is the these kind of reels have higher engagement because you ask a question and then you give some choices. So what happens is people generally share to someone, like you can say which workspace your boyfriend would choose. So like if the girl is watching it, they might share it with, so shareability increases. I have seen these kind of trends and I have checked it with 2 accounts. Now the idea is if you click on remix with AI, it will ask you to enter some context. So I can enter like post handle and giving a context of what post handle is about. It's about making short form content with AI to make viral reels, like just sample, and you can give some reference. So I have some video references which I would give, like this is one of the like demo video of this, right? I can say save context, so this will save it. Now if I click on remix with AI, it will generate so it will remix this whole content with the context which you have provided here. So if you have a theme page where you just post motivational posts. You create one template and you click on remix with AI, and it will keep remixing and sending you emails. So this is what's happening, but this part currently is not like working as I expected. So I'm tweaking it a little bit, and I have paused this work for last 2 weeks because I'm working on onboarding, like making onboarding better. I have received some issues on that, and there have been some issues on the green screen meme section, which I was improving also. And a couple of people were complaining about Safari use case, like they can't use the app on Safari. So I'm also updating that part. But yeah, this is like I have put the development for post handle on a little bit. Earlier it was accelerated. I think in May, in the first week of June, till first week of June, it was very accelerated. But after that, I paused it, and I shifted my focus more on just marketing this, getting more feedback on this product, and while like maintaining my old apps and making new iOS apps. Yeah, so that's about it. Shubham, I also tried different GitHub repos as well. What design front end, ready back end, but the thing is that I don't have a nice AI model which generates good interiors. You can try GPT-4o. I think it's one of the best. Also Flux Context. I have never been disappointed with these two image gens. If you know something, please help. Yeah, just try GPT-4o image gen or Flux Context. Abhinav, so AI ADK is generating the short videos for us now. In a way, yes. Yes, if the backend is ADK. The thing is, I can give you a bit of understanding of how. So what happens is, now users can create any kind of templates. For example, if someone creates, let's say if you create this kind of template. So if you create this kind of template, how would AI remix this? So what I have done is when you click on remix, I generate multiple snapshots of this video and send it to backend to decipher what this video is about. Why is it funny? And then the AI makes a metadata of the video. Like, okay, this video is funny because, there's a person who is running, and then there is content is like this. So based on the context which I have provided, like what post handle can do, what post handle is about, then AI will understand, okay, the reel is funny because of this. The context which the user is trying to make is this, and let's give him a remix version of this. So this, I hope this makes sense. So this is where I'm going with this thing. So that's why I'm saying, like, it's kind of like, I was trying to do a lot of things with just AI. Like I thought, I thought I don't want users to really do anything here. Like it can become like an autopilot for them to create content. But I found out like it's not that easy. I mean, AI hallucinates, plus AI is not that creative. And the other thing is, if it's a video thing, and plus it's meme, virality. There are a lot of things. It's not perfecting on, like for example, this template, it's working really great. These kind of templates, like if you know your boyfriend, which place he's choosing, this kind of templates working great. And even like Q&A kind of templates working great. But for memes, for branded content, it's not doing that great work. So what I was thinking is maybe I will add a cursor like chat interface, which I did in the previous version of the app. And I will let user talk to AI. So they can say, hey, change the background to make it look nice or for the gradient. And then giving some tools to the agent, and the agent will just keep change the timeline, because we have a full-fledged timeline which can be which has a huge, like very nice modular template system. So AI can really edit this part. And yeah, so this is where I am at post handle right now. So far, like I'm pretty proud of this whole templating system and the way AI understands this reels, which is working really great. Okay, music stopped again. Why? Lo-fi, chill, hip hop. Yes. Yeah, keep at it. Divyanshu, I still struggle with system design. Can you guide me to resource when I can improve my architectural skills, as I have never worked under a senior? I feel stuck at places. That's a very good question, Israr, and I can completely understand this. So I would say, like, system design can only be understood by taking a bit of ownership on a project. If it's your own project, or if it's a project which company is providing, and just building it from scratch. even like just understanding how these URL shorteners work, or like from scratch, I mean from user accessing your website or app to backend scaling it. If there are millions of users, if you can like understand or make an architectural diagram of it, then it becomes much easier every time. And it's again a game of practice when your brain starts to understand, oh okay, this is how it works. And then you pick up another problem, like okay, how WhatsApp is doing. And then once you understand, oh okay, like this, and this, oh okay will happen like maybe 10-20 times, and then 21st or your own problem when you come up with, you'll say, oh okay, this can be done this way. So it's a matter of just practicing it and understanding how others are doing it. I recently saw someone tweeted, and the tweet was someone created a crazy ass architectural diagram for a URL shortener, which was, again, sometimes people do over engineering, or maybe it's their own like unique use cases which they want to fulfill. You can reach there as well, but it can initially, I think it will just make you more, what you can say, uncomfortable, or yeah, it's not good if you take too complex system design problems. So start with smaller, like just think of any app, any small app, like think of only YouTube, WhatsApp, not at that their scale, but if you would start running your own YouTube kind of app, what you will build it with. Oh, Rashmika Mandana is here. Nice. Hi Rashmika. Which one is better, Cursor or Windsurf? So again, I have a story on this. I was always on the fences with Cursor. Like I always choose for Cursor because I've been using it for, I mean, since it launched now. But recently I met one other founder. He's in Goa also. He's an indie hacker, and he said he's using Windsurf from a long time, and he said he never faced any problem with Windsurf. And I was trying to convince him why not Cursor, because Cursor has, I felt, more features, but I haven't used Windsurf for like 2-3 months now. And recently there was this drama of OpenAI buying Windsurf, and then Claude not sharing their Sonnet 4 or Opus 4 APIs to them initially, compared to they shared it with Cursor. So he said he never faced any issue, and he's building crazy ass products. Like I think he has a team of like 7-8 engineers in his team, and he is a core backend developer in the team. And he said whatever he asks Windsurf, it does it. So I mean, there is no point of which is better. I mean, he's the one who is building core backends with Windsurf. I am the one who is building front end and backend with Cursor. So it's working good for me. Windsurf is working good for him. So I don't see any problem with using either of those. And these days I'm also experimenting with Claude Code. Claude Code is working good, but Claude Code is a bit expensive. Abhinav, Cursor for meme generation, new YC startup idea. I mean, it's not just for meme. A meme was initially to gain some traction, like because I thought people are more interested to create memes. And this is, one of my, again, marketing idea. Let me know how is it. I'm thinking, I see a lot of threads where people are discussing something, and I'm thinking of creating an post handle bot where you say at post handle, create a meme for this. And then post handle bot will just send a video, meme created video, AI generated meme created video on that thread, which will like, people will be like, wow, this is crazy. This is like, I'm thinking, I haven't started building it. Let me know if it's a good idea. Then I will spend some time next month on this. Shubham, man, just merge the PR. Which PR, Shubham? Is it on Cap IQ? I think Varun and you guys can manage that. Like, let me know, because I haven't reviewed any PR there. And my like bandwidth is pretty tight on PR reviewing, but I'll take a look maybe in this weekend. Divyanshu, do you hear about Stagehand? Oh yeah, I think I was working with Stagehand on one browser based API. Rashmika Mandana, how to handle situation when founder keeping asking on ticket updates every 2-3 hours? Nice, Rashmika. Again, all the good questions comes from Rashmika. Just give me a sec. Okay. So yeah, Rashmika, if the founder keep asking for ticket updates, maybe you give the updates before they get a chance to ask you. I mean, I can only say this. So it depends on founder to founder. Like some are chill, some keep asking, and sometimes, most of the time, I feel like it's our responsibility as engineers. If you're taking a task, just keep like share proper details initially. Like this is the time it will take, and I will report it in 3 hours. Let's say yourself, so they do not even have to ping you, and update them on 3 hours. Say this is taking a little bit more, so I might need more hours on this. So if they, you know, they ask you for every 3 hours, you yourself like ping them every 3 hour. What's the update? So that way they will think, okay, this is a person who automatically replies. I don't have to ping them. Yeah. X have the live chat option, 25 views. Oh yeah, X has like 28 views. Crazy. This is crazy. X has 28 views on the live. Bro, it's been 2 months since I opened the PR. I would take a look at that Cap IQ PR, Shubham, to be honest. Just give us the access. Okay, so what if I transfer that repo to one of you guys? You guys can manage it. Because I don't think I will have enough time in next couple of months to even look at it. So we can talk on Discord about it. I'll transfer it to you guys. Okay, now let's coming back to our thing here. Let's update the Minimax model. I have a Minimax service which does two things. Let me just update this here. Okay, give it to Arun. Done. Language Flutter or React Native. I just made a video on that, Ayush. So yeah, I'm a React Native dev, and recently with the Liquid UI, I'm more inclined to use React Native than Flutter now. Wow, what kind of spam is this, Ayush, bro? Abhinav, oh lol, I was almost ghosted, scammed, and was almost underpaid by Indian freelance clients few days ago. I have actually grown as a developer in past couple of months. It feels like I'm an adult now. Awesome, Abhinav. And getting scammed by a freelance Indian client, like that's the part of the, like it's a exam. You passed it. So now you are in the professional league. You know things not to do. I mean, we all have been there. I have been there multiple times. And the good thing is you haven't been scammed by some Middle Eastern clients. I got scammed once with a Saudi Arabian client. Your package. You want to see my package.json? Or package log.json, package.json. But does it have any information? I don't know. Okay. Huh. So Minimax has couple of things. Let's just open Minimax. So they have a friendly person. They have one of the following system: voice, wise woman, friendly person, inspiration girl, deep voice man, this. Speed, volume, pitch, emotion is happy, sad, fearful. This is good. So they have all these emotions. Or we can set it to auto as well. We will set it to auto. So I would need these ID, Minimax voice cloning, or you following system voice. Sweet girl. Okay, we'll use these in our code. Bro, salary. I think he's asking LPA. Ayush, I don't have any LPA. I don't do any, like, I don't work anymore. I am trying to build my own side apps, not side apps, they're front apps and my own like SaaS products. I don't know what to call myself. I don't call like I'm building a startup. I'm an indie developer. Shubham, Discord general, please, because YouTube isn't allowing me to send message. What is happening? Should I follow this front-end system design playbook? Yeah, bot idea is great. A Twitter account name Mog PFP has created custom PFP for Twitter users. So yeah, getting custom videos would be great, but is it actually feasible? Yes, Abhinav, it is feasible. It is feasible. I mean, I couldn't sleep these days because this idea just keeps popping up in my head. I just need to do it, to just experiment with it. I tried a very basic MVP version of it, where what I did was I saw a couple of threads. I quickly copied the content of that thread, pasted it on this agent and asked it to generate, and it did okayish. And I mean, let's see. Because the whole flow is ready. I just need to create this app bot which listens for these messages whenever I tag him, and then I have to find a way to trigger this Twitter posting basically, based on once the reply is generated. That's it. Otherwise, if you send the context, the meme generation flow is completely ready. Should I follow this? Israr, let me check. What is it? Front-end system design playbook. Great front-end. I know someone who was using this website. I think it's the same one, $250 or something, right? Yeah. I know someone who was using this great front-end website, so I'll ask him. And Shigar, if you are listening, please reply on the chat. He's a front-end developer. He's in Estonia these days. Your LPA package or CPA? What is that? I don't know. I mean, like, I don't have any package. Harshit, long time. Hey, hi Harshit, welcome back. He's a secret. Oh yeah, I wish guys, I wouldn't be grinding my ass here. Bro's job is just vibe with Goa nature. yeah, I like that too. Vibing with nature. By the way, I'm traveling next week. So yeah, we'll be posting more nature, more vibe. By the way, how do you use GPT-4o? GPT-4o is a chat in ChatGPT. Just open ChatGPT, send a message, create an image. It will create an image. In my backend, okay. So for backend, you have to use their Node.js SDK, or maybe use their REST API client. Anything. Hey Vishnu, how are you, man? Long time. Calling Larry. I still need my directory app. I didn't try to wipe code it yet. I had so many questions to start. All the best, Larry. What is this directory app basically? What does it do? I mean, no, it would boom, because I'm sure of it, but will you be able to deliver it to the user with minimum waiting time? So yeah, I'm not planning it to deliver it to users. Like it will not be like Grok where everyone just prompting Grok to like for asking questions. It will not be like that. It will be basically me pinging him, and the post handle app will be working on just on my command if my handle pings him, because otherwise it will be too costly. Every time it has to send the message to the agent, and then agent will be writing the script, generating the video, and then there will be a full export of the video, and then that export will come. It will obviously take at least a minute to create this video, at least. So there will be this 1 minute lag. Plus I don't want to give the access to everyone, because then I will be like racking the bill of like in millions. Our product manager is here. Hey, yeah, Vishnu is here. Vishnu, how are things, man? How is your, like, I think your college is finished now. What are you doing? Is in API, I don't think image gen access is there. Last time I checked. No, it's there now. They enabled it. It's a bit costly, but it's available now for everyone. Everything's good for me, bro. How about you? How's post handle going? Give us an update. I just did, Vishnu. You can scroll back on this live. I just gave a full length update on that, but it's going good. Thank you for asking. Calling Larry, just a phone book, business directory, list companies and their contact info in categories. I already have a WordPress directory site. I think I can use the REST API to pull the data into the mobile app. Awesome. Calling Larry, all the best. Do share your updates like once you are done with it. Would love to check it out. Okay, so I have this, but I've never made a mobile app and really just want it done. Yeah, I mean, it's not that hard. If whatever you are picking, you can pick any React Native, Flutter or native. Israr, bro, I recently migrated a React app to Next, worked on the SEO stuff, and the website is going pretty great. We got 200,000 impressions on Google search. Oh man, what did you do to get that many impressions? I really want to implement some SEO techniques on my post handle as well. You know how bad my SEO is? Abhinav, you're so good, so right. Like my marketing skill sucks, because if you search for post handle on Google, you get nothing. Even if you search for post handle com, oh, now it's coming. Earlier it was not. finally I can see something here. But yeah, I need to work on it to upgrade the SEO. And even the domain rank, I think my domain rank is almost 0. Check domain authority. So one of my friend who is here in Goa, he's helping me with all these terms, what you need to do to make your website, you know, SEO friendly. Domain rating is 0. 57 backlinks. What does this mean? How can I top 100 backlinks? How can I check where are my backlinks? What? What are these guys doing? What is this technique called? Anybody know? What is this? Why my website is is linked on all these websites? I think they do this like automated. These are automated like SEO things. I have no idea. I'm so noob on these things. Still waiting for Google ADK for Node.js, but I tried it with Python. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good with Python. It's handling most of my cases now. And I have built like 2 apps on that ADK. It works great. I think they recently released their Java version, like Java SDK as well. I made my app in React Native. Awesome. Calling it. Where is happy life? Divanshu, did you create sitemap and edit metadata? I have updated it on robot.txt and sitemap on the Google Search Console. I got 10 viewers from Google search last month. Google sent me this email. Domain rating should be 50 plus. Yeah, mine is 0. Give me some tips on how to improve it. By the way, have you checked out Gemini CLI? Not yet, Abhinav. Is it good? I am using Claude Code though, again. reiterating because I'm loving it so much. I think it means post handle is getting famous day by day. I really doubt these are all like marketing channels who are posting about it. Guys, what is happening? Like on Twitter, I see 36 live. Is this true? Like 36 people are watching us on Twitter, but we have only 3 likes. Twitter users, can you please like the stream? And in the analytics, I can only see 28. I think, is this like Twitter doesn't remove the live count? Now it's 38. Or it just making me, you know, like consoling me by showing this good looking number so that I keep coming and streaming on Twitter. Because I really doubt there are 38 people watching it right now because there is no reaction, no comment, no message. No, they are views and not concurrent views. Oh shit. But this is such a bad UX. I mean, they're showing it live and on next to that they're showing 41 to me. And you no, I mean it's even in Restream they are showing. See guys, in Restream also they are showing 42 live viewers. This is live view, right? I'm pretty sure it's live view. But again, I don't know. GPT-4o vision is for interpretation, not generation. Use Delhi 3 for generation new designs. No, they are views and not. Okay, this we have heard. You going live on Twitter. Yeah, today I tried to go live there because you made a Trump meme last video. Subham, I don't know what you're saying, but I'm pretty sure GPT allows it because I tested it. I have the API key as well. I tested the API. It works. So maybe just check the documentation a bit clearly on their website. X is notorious for this. I'm pretty sure they are. I'm not. This is wrong number. Like 100%. This is my first time going live on Twitter. So maybe they are doing some sort of like trick to keep me coming back and keep being live there. I watched another streamer say the same thing about Twitter viewer count, fake the numbers. Because it has never gone down. So it's only going up. It's going up. Like earlier it was 10, then 12, then now it's at 42. And I'm pretty sure after a while it will be at 44. Sir, have you tried Cloud Code? Yes, I did. It's very, very expensive. And my next video is about that only. And I tested it for almost 2 weeks extensively. I paid $200 as well. But again, it's very expensive. And the output is amazing. It just one-shots most of the tasks which you ask it to do. But then I moved to Cursor because I don't need that one-shotting. I sometimes really like looking at this code. You know, the more you don't look at your code, what's happening, the more alienated you feel with your code base. This is what I'm finding out. Like the more alienated I feel with my code base, and then it becomes much harder for me to even think of how things will work. And then I'm just handling everything to AI. Hey, you do it. Like, and then there is a bug or I'm stuck somewhere. I don't even know how to now dive into my code base. So that's why I like looking at the code, what AI is doing, so that I'm aware of what's happening in my code base. I don't know if this is old school thinking, whereas most of the vibe coders are just vibing with it without even understanding what AI is doing. But yeah, I'm like, I can't let it lose like that. So Cloud Code feels like I'm becoming more alienated with my code. Can you repeat what I need to use? You need to use GPT-4o API. Did you do that text to video meme generation thing in post handle? Kind of, Vishnu. It's a feature which will be live in the newer version of it very soon, very soon, in next 1 week maybe. Have you tried Dear Browser? I've heard a lot of things about it. I haven't tried. I think I'm not even allowed as well. I last time I tried checking it, they said I need to, you know, guys, today when I said, I thought today I'll only work. I'll say in the stream, guys, I'm going to work, and let's be live, and I'll not yap a lot. But I don't know what happens when this camera starts. I just start yapping. And I don't, so yeah, I think I don't have access. It's saying join the waitlist. Yeah, it takes me here. It doesn't allow me. Oh, it's early access for ARC member. I was an ARC member, yes. I haven't tried it, but I mean, is it good? Is it like, what does it do which others are not doing? You know, earlier Manus was such a crazy deal. Back then everyone thought like everything is now, like every agent is done for, because now Manus is here, which will do everything. And I found out, like, I've been using Manus extensively, and I found out like ChatGPT's deep research is much better than what Manus does sometimes. So I mean, we are reaching to a point where every browser or every AI tool is just marketed to, oh wow, the animations are crazy. Like, it's happening on my second screen. I wish they would have happened here. Crazy. This is crazy. Like the way, shit, it's happening on the second screen. But this is good. I hope you guys have seen this already. So there was some onboarding animations which happened earlier. Email, password, accept, already have an account. I hate when browsers ask to create account. I'll not create any account. I don't need it. Let me know, guys, once it's too good to just ignore it. I'll use it then. Varun, when I click on X live and exit, I see increment in live count. I tried 42, 3 times it increased to 45. Wow, it's at 48 now. Hey, hi, fake live viewers on X. I see 4 likes and 29 on analytics, but view count is 49. My mom would be proud. 49 concurrent viewers on Twitter on the first day. That's crazy. Okay, let's tell this to, so these are the names of voice ID. These are names of voice IDs which we can pass. Can you make an array type of these voice IDs which can be passed when we want to TTS? Also, let's make the emotion as auto. I'm working on the server side of the app, guys, so I'm on the other screen. Please don't mind it. Wow, we are at 66 now. Someone, are you guys like going out, coming again? I don't know how it increased to 66. Or maybe when I said, hey, fake bots, some algorithm triggered. Oh, now it's 94. Oh, guys, what's happening? We are at 94 live viewers on Twitter. I think, oh wow, we crossed 100. Crazy. Guys, I think you guys know now what's happening. I'll just take a screenshot of it and I will send it to my brother. What's happening? How is it like increasing? We have 100 plus views on Twitter. Elon Musk is really playing with everyone's emotions at this point. Text to speech. Something is text, Minimax, TTS options. So we can pass a voice ID. Default option. We can only pass voice ID. Okay. And voice ID will be this. Okay. No, not any options. So this will be our Minimax service. And then we have our Elevenlabs API somewhere. Yes. So Elevenlabs text to speech, how far we are. So in video controller, we have text to speech from just click and exiting. I think Shubham doing this and I'm also too. What a crazy algo Twitter has. Amazing. I mean, I would not even build this kind of feature, but yeah, I would not, because I'm not good at marketing, and Twitter guys are. They are at least like, it looks nice to me though. Like, I don't care if there are not 100 people, but looking at like 109, that number. Oh, by the way, you guys, did you watch Black Mirror this year's season? Yeah, 10 times. Yeah, that's why now we had a 110, 112 concurrent viewers. 124 now. This is very easy to fake then. X algo. Okay, so script audio buffer, the text to speech, it does this, and in the end it finishes. We convert the data into a script audio buffer, right? Then on the Minimax side, we are output is replicate run output. So we are only passing back the output, which could be an audio file. So in this case, if it is an audio file, calling Larry, it worked. They got you. They really did. They really did. I like it compared to like the depression I had when I was posting on Twitch. Like there was no one. Looking at this 155 number, I'm pretty happy with it. Can I get your API key for image gen? Yes, take my API key. It's API 1234 and till 10. Okay, so the backend is done. I have the output, but the problem is Elevenlabs was giving me a stream of audio, which I was just passing directly to create the video. In case of replicate, they are returning back a URL of the audio. So now I'll have to download that audio if I have to convert onto the same type. That's a small task. And once that is done, I can then update the Firestore entry points to put like these voice IDs basically. Currently what the ID is, where is it? Not here. Not here. Where is the, yeah, here. Is free, is trending. No, it's not trending. Name Jessica, type EL, audio. So we will just, yeah. I'll have to change the audio URL as well. I'll have to store it somewhere. And it will be a female voice. Yeah, it's a good, actually. I can do that. And then, is there an ID? There is an audio ID. So audio ID I can just pass, and I can just, yeah. there will be two values which I need to pass to the backend so that backend can understand if it needs to call Minimax or it needs to call Elevenlabs. Yeah, can be done pretty easily. So a small task. So you know what I have done? I have done this ticket. Almost done, like 80% done. 20% of the task is remaining. I'm so proud. 173 live viewers on Twitter. What else we can ask? So guys, I think I'm good for today. I'll be wrapping it up. It was a very good session, very productive in a way. I have added this backend on the front end, not much, but front end doesn't require anything because the way it works is this whole screen, all these points, all these data is being received from the database. So I just have to change the values on database and this will automatically be changing. That's pretty cool, right? So I don't have to change anything on the client side. And yeah, that's about it. Varun, your API key is too weak. Please include add hash. See ya, Varun. Wait, X will reach 200. It's at 195. Guys. This is crazy. Okay, we are at 197. I'm waiting. Bros yapping helps us. Should I come tomorrow as well? Are you guys free tomorrow? I'll do it tomorrow. We are at 190. I don't know. Can you guys see it? We are at 197. Still 197. 196. I don't know if it's visible. Oh, we crossed 200, guys. Time for confetti. I love confettis. 200. Yes. Thank you Shubham, and thank you Varun for joining the live and exiting the live for so long. Wow, we are free for your life. Okay guys, see ya. It was really fun and I'll see you tomorrow then. Okay, bye bye.